going on, guys? It's me, Lindsay, with BitcoinLindsay.com. And not even 7 days ago, I did an update for Bitcoin News letting you guys know that Bitcoin had hit a new high of over $8,000 per coin. Now here I am telling you on November 27th, 7 days later, pretty much, a week later, that Bitcoin has now surpassed the $9,000 mark, guys. So totally, like, the internet, the media has definitely been in a frenzy since this has happened. And I want to let you guys know in this video what the media's reaction has been so far since this new information has dropped. So stay tuned and let me share it with you. So right now we're looking at CoinMarketCap, and as you guys can see right here, Bitcoin is hovering over the $9,600 mark. Now, even over the weekend, it got as high as over $9,700, but since then it's been hovering around the $9,500, $9,600 mark. Now we're looking at the Wall Street Journal's headline today. Bitcoin surges past $9,500 and the fastest 1,000-point milestone, and the fear of missing out is driving investors into another frenzy. Now on CNN Money, they're asking, will Bitcoin hit $10,000? Now, despite skepticism from some of the top finance executives in the past few weeks, such like Jamie Dimon and things like that, experts believe that the latest Bitcoin gains appear to have been fueled by expectations that big professional investors like hedge funds could soon pour money into the currency, right? Now we're looking at crypto coins news, and Trace Meyer, a Bitcoin investor who funded BitPay, revealed that Bitcoin is the 30th largest currency in the world and has surpassed some of the fiat currencies such as the Singapore dollar, the United Arab Emirates dirham, and it's closing in on the market cap of MasterCard, right? So without any involvement of institutional investors or investment banks, Bitcoin's market valuation has gone from $15 billion in January to over $156 billion in November, guys, right? So now we're seeing right here that, because Bitcoin has gone over the $9,000 mark, that is showing growing signs of mainstream adoption. And I mentioned this in a Bitcoin News update the week before, how we're now starting to see that Bitcoin is becoming more of a household name. Bitcoin is being talked about on major television shows. One that's coming up recent is the Big Bang Theory, and that episode premieres on the 30th, right? So also with the Bitcoin going mainstream, as we guys can see right here, Coinbase, which is also an exchange for cryptocurrencies, has more users than Charles Schwab, guys. Okay, so this is getting big, guys. Now, still on the other side of the coin, you still have people who believe that Bitcoin is a bubble. Now, for traders on social media, Bitcoin is a bubble unfolding in real time before their eyes. So whenever people are talking about bubbles, think about like the housing bubble in the early 2000s, and then also the .com bubble, right? Now, the reason why they say this particular bubble would be totally different from those two is because it will pop a lot faster, and we will actually see this happen in real time right in front of our eyes. So I want to open up the floor to you guys. Let me know below. Have you invested into, Bitcoin or some type of cryptocurrency? If you haven't done any of that, has this latest news gave you that little urge that you want to now invest into Bitcoin? Or do you still, believe like some of these traders on social media that Bitcoin is a bubble and we're going to see it crash very sooner than later? Comment below. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys on the next video.